Hello, my name is Jivan Khadka from Nepal. My village, Laligras Municipality 7, Phirke Terathum. My family members is 6. I am married. My date of birth 18 May 1994. My passport number 10471410. My education 10 pass, Sri Krishna Higher Secondary School, Chamchim, and General Technical Agriculture. 15-month course, CTVT course pass. My work experience 3 years, Malaysia Paper Company working, and 4 years, Agriculture Farm Nepal working. My new job opportunity in Romania, general worker for family and for me, for our bright future. Thank you.